Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can play the Bitmoji paint game on Snapchat. Let's get started. First you open your Snapchat apps. Then slide the camera page to the right. Then click on the search bar at the top left. And type here Bitmoji paint. See, Bitmoji paint games is here. Now open the Bitmoji paint game. The interface of the game will look like this. Then the game will open step by step. See here, I have been asked to select any one place. So I am selecting a place from here. Now I have selected this place. My game is open. Now I am going to show you some rules to operate this game. First, the doll will move to the place where you click here. Then click on the color option to move the instrument to print. Then you can print as you wish and select different colors from here. Then there are many images below. You can use these images if you want. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.